everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, a lot of puppies, and you get some PA weather in there, a little bit of life as well. I sure hope you stick around for the call. Hit that subscribe so we can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura. That loud voice right there is Loki. We also have Dexter and Willie, and then there's Harvey the cat. So 3 pups and a cat. It's craziness all the time. And let's see, it is Sunday morning. I have a really busy week ahead of me. Heading to Vegas, I'll call it in the middle of the night tonight. So very early morning flight. Gonna have to get up about 2 in the morning, get out the door around 3:30 to get the airport in time. And so I still have to pack. Haven't even started that. I have some ideas, but I have not pulled it all together yet. So we got to pack. It's a beautiful day out here. It's so beautiful. It's 59, but it's getting up to 80. It already feels 80 in the sunshine. It's gorgeous. I really want to take advantage of that since it looks like when I get back, the temperatures are plummeting. So fingers crossed, it's still nice, but just in case, I like to savor every one of these last days before the weather truly turns. So I am incredibly casual today as I'm going to be running around. I also have a box here that I want to film for you all. So I chose cutoffs and a tank, right? Let's just see summer through. I have on Vigoss jean shorts. These are from Wantable. Paired it with a tank that I got while we were on vacation last month. And for shoes, flip-flops, here you go. Sanuk, my favorite. I didn't put any jewelry on today, so just what I had on when I went to sleep this morning. And that's my day. I love, love, love this blue sky. It's like I'm ignoring the color of the leaves changing because the blue sky is so beautiful. I hope your week starts off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday. Time for outfit of the day. It is barely Monday. So it is 3:20 in the morning. I'm ready to go. I got ready a little faster even than I thought. Loki insisted on getting up with me. Everybody else is in bed. And it's going to be a beautiful day here. It's getting up to, looks like 80. It's going to be gorgeous. It's 56 right now. Vegas is also going to be warm, but I think I'm going to be inside pretty much the entire time. And for my outfit, my travel outfit, I have on these awesome pants from Michael Stars, paired them with a Michael Stars tee, and then my Rag & Bone Miramar denim jacket. I love this one because it's stretchy and comfy and there's no restrictions. It's just so comfortable. Put on my flip-flops. These are by Sanuk. And let's see, I'm going to have to go grab another necklace, but Loki's making it hard because I can't go in and out of the bedroom too much because he keeps following me and making all kinds of noise. But I have an Ana Luisa necklace on, my normal earrings, and my bracelet stack, and we're going to hit the road. All right, hopefully I packed the right things. My suitcase is bursting. So hopefully that works out. What do you think? It's business casual. Huh. Oh, did you find something? Did you find something? All right. Well, I will catch you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, so I made it to Vegas. So it is later the same day. You can see behind me is the Stratosphere. We're staying at the Fontainebleau. It's really nice. Bit of busy morning. Travel went well though, so all good. And I thought I'd share with you my first day's outfit since I shared with you my travel outfit. That's not actually what I'm going to be wearing to go out today. We're actually seeing a show. We have lunch with vendors, and then we have lunch with a vendor, and then after the show we also have the opening night welcome meeting, or welcome to get-togethers. So today's my most casual day. I do actually have jeans on, but I'm in love with these. They're by Mabe. I got them at Anthropology. Paired it just with a simple black tank from Ever Eve, and then a Ichi blazer that I got in a Wantable. For shoes, just my simple little gold flats because there's so much walking that we're going to be doing here. So I just stuck with simple gold, and my belt is from Loft. Jewelry's all the same, is going to be the same for the whole time I'm here. All right, you get an extra outfit today. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. I am in Vegas and the weather's perfect here. So it's 59 right now, getting up to 83. I don't expect to get outside much. I didn't get outside much yesterday, although we did go for a little bit of a walk, so that was nice. And we had the opportunity yesterday to go see The Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. So good, so good. I wasn't sure what to expect, but everything I had heard was it was amazing. It was. It's very immersive. So it is the movie that you feel like you're in the movie with Dorothy and Toto. Like you are experiencing the tornado with her. There is leaves blowing about. It's very fascinating. And then you're off to Munchkin Land, right? So the whole thing, fabulous. If you have a chance to go see it, I definitely recommend it. Go see it. All right, and for my outfit today, I chose an easy one because it was already paired together. This is by Cabi, Cabi jacket, Cabi pants from last year. Just put on a black tank. This one is from Ever Eve. My shoes, I added pop of gold here with the Dolce Vita sandals. These are not fun. I had black on at first, and then I decided to go with the tan. I kind of like this one better. My jewelry is the same as yesterday. And I think I'm ready. I have some meetings this morning, then we go into sessions. So it's going to be a super busy day. There's dinner tonight. Lots of things. Yesterday was back-to-back pretty much from the time we landed. And I landed early here yesterday, met my coworkers for breakfast, and then we had like an hour in the room before we started with vendor meetings, and then the show, and then dinner. So. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. And it's another beautiful morning in Las Vegas, 59, getting up to 89 today. It's been a whirlwind. Yesterday, I felt like I had been here for 5 days, and it was only day 2. That's how much we had packed in these days at this conference. It's crazy. So today's day 3, and then I go home tomorrow morning. My Anthropology haul posted today. Oh, you have to check it out. It's so good. I love Anthropology when I can grab pieces. I had a birthday coupon. I went a little crazy. I still have a few more pieces kind of coming in, but the bulk of it is all there. So can't wait to hear what you guys thought. And for today's outfit, I have Anthropology on. I have Maeve pants that I bought after that haul. I have it just paired back to a Good American black tank. And then how amazing is this jacket? It's so good. Let's see who this one is from. It's so good. This jacket is so good. It's very soft. It's very comfy. It is by Anthropologie brand. So I thought it was Maeve, which is also Anthropologie. But anyway, love this jacket. It's got the rose gold, like crackling, but it's soft. It's not stiff. Just adorable. Love it. And then for shoes, I threw these on because my feet are tired. These are nice. They're just my Tory Burch Millers in black. And for jewelry, it's all the same as yesterday. And that's it. All right. Well, I'm going to get going. I hope you're doing amazing. And I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday. Time for outfit of the day. Final day in Vegas. Actually, I'm not even staying. And you can see it is like, can you see out there? Yeah, you can see it a little bit. It's pretty dark outside. It is 5:20 in the morning. I got to go downstairs to catch my ride to the airport. And I think today the rain is supposed to come. It is 65 right now. It's getting up to 82. At home, I'm pretty sure it's cool. So I'm thinking the high is going to be somewhere around 60. It was a great week. We had a really great week. We wrapped up the conference with the Chainsmokers. So that was a fun, like, nightclub kind of gathering. It was fun. All right, let's see. For my outfit to head to the airport, I have on Ever Eve denim, just a Nikibiki tank from a JB Stylebox. Same jean jacket that I wore down. So this one is the Miramar. And, of course, the same flip-flops. For comfort. My feet are screaming today, not even from the shoes. The shoes were all comfortable, just from the amount of walking that we did this week. All right, my jewelry's the same, and that's a wrap on Thursday. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday finally. We made it to Friday, right? It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day out here. It's 58 right now, getting up to 65. We woke up, it was cold, like 39. Once again, forgot to cover my flowers, so we'll see what happens. And the peppers are all out, huh? The peppers are all out. It is really nice and quiet out here. I'm kind of enjoying it. Anyway, let's see. Friday Funny. I don't know if I have, let me think if it's a funny one. I will tell you that the dogs are not only destroying the inside of my house, they're also destroying the outside of my house. So they have dug about a dozen holes in the yard. I will say the prominent bad dog is Dexter, who can dig a hole in 30 seconds, and when you're yelling at him, he waits until you actually come after him before he'll stop, and then he runs away, and he's very quick. So my husband has now filled these holes about 4-ish times, and a lot of them are pretty deep in that they would hurt the lawnmower like if it hit it. So we do have to stay on top of it. But this is the newest thing now, is digging. They will dig as far as they can. We have 3 or 4 in the front yard. They dug a really, really big one in the front yard. We have a few here in the backyard as well. And then a new one will pop up just when we think we've got it under control. And for my outfit today, I have on Liverpool denim that I got in a Stitch Fix. I have on a t-shirt that I got. I got this one in a Front Door Fashion. It's by Z Supply. I want a Z Supply jacket that came in a JV style box. I'm covering all the boxes today. For shoes, Sam Edelman. Had these for quite some time. Very comfortable. Then I just have on my bracelet stack, my zodiac sign necklace, and off to the races we go. All right, I will catch you tomorrow for final outfit of the day. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is gorgeous out here. Started out cool in the 40s. It's 59 right now. It's supposed to get to 67, so I think it's going to be a really beautiful day. My Stitch Fix posted today. It was a good one. I did end up keeping 5 to get the 25%, so I did get the other tee, so I kept the tees. Here's the green. It's an interesting green, almost like, what, avocado? I was expecting something a little darker, I think, but fun. So I got the t-shirt pack. I did end up keeping the marine layer sweatshirt, or sweater. Very soft. I did keep the coated pants. I also kept the Liverpool sweater jacket style here, sweater sleeves. This one is adorable. And I did keep the long Z Supply jacket, which I thought is so yummy. I just love it. Love, love, love. I didn't keep the shoes because I really want the mule style. And yeah, I didn't keep that puppy jacket. It was just too big. And I didn't keep something else. What was the third thing? Oh, the Pistola crew neck sweater. I didn't keep that, the tan one, because it was super high. All right, so the puppers are all out here. If you hear crunching, they're actually eating. They were starving, so I put food out so they could eat. And for my outfit today, I have on a Z Supply skirt I got in Front Door Fashion. I have a t-shirt on you've seen before, also Front Door Fashion. Put on this jacket from Paige that I got in a Trendsend, and it's still nice out. I still got the toes out. I put these on, they're so comfortable, and after my long week of walking, I thought they'd be perfect, so they're Dolce Vita. For jewelry, I have on my necklace I had on yesterday. So this is my sign. Do I have it on backwards? I think I do. I got up early this morning to get my hair done, so it appears like I'm wearing this backwards. And my bracelet stack. And that's my outfit today. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap on outfit of the day this week. It was a busy week, right? All right, I will list all of my outfits and each item down below. I can link directly to an item I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll let you know which boxes, and I'll have the links there. And for things like Cabi, I'll have all the information in case you'd like to reach out to my stylist, as well as her link, so you can go ahead and check out her website. Can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, swipe, and hype. I so appreciate it, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.